My experience, having done 1,000 of these projects over the years, is that when you come in and you take care of a place like this, you build a connection with that place, which is powerful. It changes your relationship to that place, and you never see it the same because you've been part of the healing process.
One of the big impacts that WRV has on public lands is they're stepping into a role of getting work done on the ground at a time when budgets for these agencies are going downhill. So this work that we're doing is the kind of work that's not going to get done otherwise.
WRV is a great investment. You're investing in people, you're investing in the land, you're investing in our community.
I will never relate to this place the same after the work we've done here today. I'll always be curious, I'll always care, and I feel the same way if we build a trail or whatever it is. I don't forget what we've done.
I feel really proud of the work that we do. It's a multifaceted benefit to both the land and to the individuals that are getting involved.
You're out there in the field, you're working hard, but you're working at something together. It is really a sense of community. You're healing the land that you enjoy so much.
The people that show up on these projects are the caretakers of the land, and I think the moment you walk away from a site, it's just the beginning of the restoration process in a way, whether it's seeds or plants are in the ground or a fresh trail built. But then when you go back later, you see the plants growing, you see the trail being used and maturing, and you see restoration efforts at work.
We need help more than ever right now. All of our budgets are getting cut with our agency partners as well as our grants. More land needs to be restored than ever. We are just finished with our 2013 flood recovery in Lyons, and there's just so much more to do.